everyone, my name is Emily McKinnon. We're here in Junction City, Oregon, and we are at Guarantee RV. Today I'm going to take you on a tour around the Thor Four Winds. We are taking a look at the 26B floor plan. So first thing I'm going to point out is the chassis that we're on. It's a E350 Ford chassis. It's a V10 Triton engine. It's got 305 horsepower, 420 foot-pounds of torque. One thing I love about this unit is how big and wide the mirrors are. It's really, really good for visuals when you're trying to see what's behind you when you're driving. Also, what's great is that both mirrors have cameras, and these are turn signal activated, and there's a, in your dash, you've got a little screen where when you put on your blinkers, you can see all the way down your coach. So it gives you great visibility, great safety feature there. Nice storage all throughout. You're gonna have these clips that you can just simply hook it onto. Really easy to clean, very heavy duty. We've got lights in all of the storage bays. So if you're arriving at your campsite at night, which nobody ever plans to do, but which always inevitably happens, you can easily take things out if you need to. We've got a nice, long, full-size electric awning. It does have a light strip on it. And then coming around the back here, this can be used for your sewer hose. A lot of people don't know that, but it's a great place to store your sewer hose. It's got a little hole there, so you know things can drain out if they need to. You've got a 5,000-pound hitch, your ladder, so that you can get up on the roof, do some maintenance, do some cleaning if you need to. You have a 4-track Schwinn electric slide system. Sani-flush, so you can keep your tanks, your black tank, nice and clean and sanitary after your RV use. Electric cord in there, your 30-amp electric cord. Nice kind of 2-tiered storage bin here with your light. And those are nice, heavy insulated doors. Fuel tank fill up. You've got your 30-amp connection here. Cable connection for park cable to hook up your television. Your 4,000-watt gas generator. And your propane tank right there. Then you've got your city connection when you are connected to water at a campsite. And then your tank fill when if you're going on a long road trip or if you're boondocking. This is what you would use to fill up your water fill up your tank with potable water, so you can use that throughout. You also have an outside shower there. I forgot to point out. This is really convenient if you've got furry friends you need to wash off or little feet you need to wash off. If you're going to the beach, keeps the sand out. Let's go ahead and head inside, and I'll show you the great floor plan. 26B is one of my favorite floor plans because it's got a lot of really great usable space. One thing I love that's really unique about this is that you've got a little space here for maybe a tablet or an iPad. It's got a couple USB ports, and you can stick your pad right in there and have it secure. Little phones or anything, you know, just anything you can think of that needs to be charged. They're going to stay nice and secure in that pocket. A nice overhead bunk here. Can fit a couple people. You've got your ladder right up there. You got your window. You can look up at the stars if you need to. Nice big TV, and this swings around so that when you're sitting and, you know, if it happens to be raining here in Oregon, you can watch TV and just kind of chill out with the family, with your friends. This folds down very easily for a bed to be used. This also folds down very easily. It's called the Dream Dinette. I just unlatched it real quick and I just push it down, and boom, you've got a bed. You just move the cushions into place. You've got cup holders. One thing I love too is the nice big beautiful windows. So if you could imagine, you know, it's kind of late at night, you're playing cards with your friends and your family, you've got your drinks here, you've got the window cracked, and you can hear the stream flowing, and it's just what a great camping experience that could be. You've got secured seat belts all around. I love this kitchen setup because you can be part of the living space. You can be part of the entertainment. It's not completely hidden and out of the way. You got plenty of counter space, a nice stainless steel extendable faucet with some different spray options, nice big stainless steel sink, plenty of drawers that extend all the way. All your control panels in one easy setup right here. Thor gives you a trash can so you don't have to think about a place to put it. They've already got it for you. Microwave, gas oven with nice big dials here. A nice 3-burner gas stove, very large. You can put nice big pans on there. And just little storage everywhere. I mean, they really think of everywhere to put storage. You've got storage here, cabinets for food. These are adjustable shelves. You could take them out if you've got nice big, bins or whatever you need to put in there. You've also got huge storage throughout here for maybe extra games, extra blankets. So they really thought of storage very well on this coach. One of my other favorite things about this floor plan are the hidden drawers here. Look how deep this is. This is a really nice deep drawer. You can put lots of food in there for a nice long road trip, nice long weekend camping trip. And really, I mean, you can think of things to put in there that, all this stuff is nice and deep, and you got 1, 2, 3 shelves here. Then you've got your wardrobe space. Again, nice and wide, nice and deep, nice and tall. You got 1, 2, 3, 4 drawers to stock your clothes, everything you need for yourself and your family and your guests. Dometic freezer and fridge to keep all your favorite foods and beverages, of course, which is probably one of the most important things about camping. Nice and cold. Let's move into the loo. I love how they put the nice big domed skylights. I really don't use it, but if somebody who needs a lot more headspace, they've got it. You've got a nice bowed out shower curtain here. Extra, moving space for your arms. Then you've got some towel rods here, 1 here, and you've got 2 on the door. Foot pedal toilet, extra storage space underneath the sink, nice amount of counter space, medicine cabinet, and then this 360 siphon. What this means here, this little sticker on the window, that's a very important thing that a lot of people don't think about is, when that's actually going to take care of a lot of the stenches that might come from your tanks, and that just kind of helps evaporate the smells. It kind of takes care of the smells for you. Last thing you want to deal with on your camping trip are bad smells. Moving into the room area, you've got a nice privacy curtain. And mom and dad have their own TV. You can control your AC and your heat from right here. Your slide control is fully accessible. You've got a 12-volt charger right here, so if anybody needs a machine, like a sleep apnea machine or anything like that, that takes a 12-volt charge, you have that. And then there's USB ports on that side as well. And then mom and dad both have their own plugins if they need. Nice shelf area. And then 1, 2, 3 cabinets up above, a nice residential style headboard. And then one thing I love about this slide system that's unique is the bedroom is on a slide, but the bed is not gonna hit the wall, because see what happens is all you have to do is fold this up, and the slide actually is on top of your bed frame here. And what I love about that is that you don't have to unmake your bed. You can keep your bed fully made. You can keep the blankets on, the sheets on, and all you have to do is really fold it up. The slide comes in, and it's really, really easy. So I hope I've showed you enough for you to have a great experience with your camping trip. with your friends and family. Remember, my name is Emily McKinnon, and I can be reached at 541-998-1148. My extension is 2519 here at Guarantee RV, and I hope to hear from you soon. And you can ask me any questions you like. Thank you.